Get it. Okay.
Let me take my glasses off. Lisa and I are on the way to solo play. And I get a cramp in my leg as I'm driving this big Tundra truck. And so I know what to do. I pull over, and Lisa's like, "Why are you pulling over?" I got a cramp. Oh. And then she tries to tell me where I should massage. But, you know, she's taught me it already. So I said, "Teacher, I know what to do. If you weren't in this car, I know what to do." And you know what? I was off a little bit, but I still got relief. And I acquiesced and said, "Okay, you taught me. I'll let you correct me." And so I went to, versus doing it like on the side, I went directly on the back of my thumb. And now I'm at the area there's a lot of pain there because the blood stopped flowing. And it's relief. It's the relief is I can drive now. Wow. It's not like, "Oh my God, my leg is cramping, got to get out of the car." So I'm now able to do this. So thank you, Lisa. We're on our way to Soul Play, where Lisa is going to be demonstrating this technique that your body has control panels, and this is one, my hand, and it represents the whole body. And this is my leg. How about that? This is my right leg. I had to cramp my right leg, and now it's gone because I pressed the healing button.
Thank you, Shafra.
Yeah, now we can go on Soul Play, and hope you see her there. Okay? Hope you post that on Facebook. So they can see.
I will, and all this would take how much time we're talking
you
about?
pulled over. We've been laughing about me telling you not to be telling me, so I can do it on my own, heal myself.
That's
Don't need
right.
a teacher anymore.
That's right. You graduated.
I graduated. No, I needed a little correction here. I admit it. I was doing it a little bit on the other side. Oh yeah, whoa, I feel it. You feel a little bit of the pain, and then you start massaging it to get the blood flowing.
Yeah.
And then it's like but the cramp has been gone. This is still sore, but the cramp is gone.
Oh,
Which is
there
really
you go.
cool, yeah.
There you go. Wow.
But as long as it's sore, I need to tend to this now. Like every now and then, stop and just do it. I don't have to wait for pain to occur.
Right, and to prevent the next
To prevent
time.
it, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See?
Oh, look at me, I'm learning.
Wow.
It's been 4 years.
So this is your advanced
Yeah, I'm advanced.
advanced course.
I'm graduating. Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you, Shafra, being such a good student.
Yeah, it's my body. My leg began to hurt, and I'm trying to drive, you know. And this is a big truck, so there's a big gap between my heel and my toe on the accelerator, right? So my feet are up, like in a cramped position, and in a position that cramped me, that blocked my blood flow.
Yeah.
And my body said, "Stop." So I had to pull over and then release it, and now I'm going to go back. And I'll maybe stop every 30 minutes and massage.
What a great way to talk to your body and play with your body.
No, I learned. Pain will teach you, you know?
Absolutely.
Maybe not. I know some people that they're in pain and they hop around and drink quinine water, and I go like, "But you could be." They go, they don't want to hear it. I'm glad I heard. I'm glad I listened.
Thank you.
Back on the road.
All right.
You guys got to see Lisa. Got to see her. Okay. On the Soul Play, about 2 more hours of driving. So I'm going to stop and rest every 30 minutes, and just, when I say rest, massage my leg.
Thank you, Shafra.